Hello everyone. So today we'll start our new chapter, that is money. Okay. So you know about the money and what we are going to learn in this chapter. Let's see. To learn to convert rupees to pies and pies to rupees means we will learn in this chapter how to convert rupees into pies and pies into rupees. So to add, subtract, multiply and divide money, to solve word problems on money, to learn, make and interpret bills and rate chart. How we will make the bills when we are going to the market to buy many things. So the shopkeeper used to make a list. So after that they are giving the things. Yes or no? So in this way also we can make the prepare a bill for the things. Got it? Now see here, toys are given. This is in the shop. Here is a shop. Okay, this is a toy shop. Now the toys are the rates are given below the toys, as you can see here. Teddy bear, robot, car, ball, aeroplane, truck, boat, jeep or roller, we can say roller and guitar. Okay, so here 30 rupees, 40 rupees, 20 rupees, 10 rupees, 35 rupees, 25 rupees, 15 rupees, 25 rupees and 35 rupees. Now, as you can see here, the Sally toy store has a sale and Vaswati and her father are at two toy store. Vaswati was she saw to the toys and she want to buy the toys. So she bought two toys. Her father paid total rupees 75 to the shopkeeper. Can you guess which toys Vaswati bought from the store? So two toy which make 35. Oh sorry 75. So 40 or plus 35. 40 plus 35. So that is the answer. So 40 plus 35 which makes 75. Yes or no? These two toys, robot and aeroplane. She bought because if you will add, you can how we can explain. So if you will add here 40 plus 35, what you will get? So 0 plus 5 is 5 and 4 plus 3 is 7. So 75 rupees. Got it? Now recall the money. You know about the money. You know about the rupees. Yes or no? This is 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20, 50, 100, 20, sorry 200, then 500 and 2000. These are the currency of currency note of rupees. Okay, and this is the coins of the rupees. So you are familiar with this symbol, yes or no, with symbols. And this is the symbol of the rupees, as you can see this is a symbol of the rupees. Okay, and these are the coins which are available in India. These are the rupees, these are the note which are available in India. Before these are available 25 pies, 50 pies, 1 rupees and 2 rupees coins and notes are available, but nowadays these are not there. Okay, these are not available in the market, and the bank is also government is also not allowing this rupees, this type of currencies. Okay children, so this is the rupees. So we know that we need money to buy a food, clothes, medicine, etc. Every country has its own currency which consists of notes and coins. So these are the notes and these are the coins. In India, the currency used is called a rupee and pies. So in India, we are using rupee and pies. And the symbol of rupees is this one, and the symbol of for the pies is P. So look at the symbols, is you can see here. And do you know that the USA use the dollar and dollar symbol is this. England use the pound, so pound symbol is this, and Japan use the yen, so this is the symbol of yen. Got it? So these are the different symbols which are used in a different country, and the currencies are and the currency, yes, currencies also different name. So you can see here dollar and here pound and here yen. So these are the different currencies are there. Okay. So now see here we also had coins of 1 paisa, 2 paisa, 3 paisa, 5 paisa, 10 paisa and 20 paisa in India, which are no longer in use. These are no uses. These are in a nowadays these denominations are not in use because we will not get anything with 1 paisa and 2 paisa because the value of the money increases day by D. That is why. Got it? So, counting of money. How we can count money? When we write rupees and pies together, we put a dot in between. So this is a rupees and the dot is given. So this is a pies. So the number on the left of the dot. Okay, this is the left and this is the right. So left of the dot is rupees and right of the dot is pies. And this dot separate the rupees and pies. Keep it in mind. This dot is separating this rupees and pies. So what is this? 10 rupees 25 pies. Got it? Now count and tell how much amount is this. So 10, 25, 25 pies and 50 pies. So 10 rupees, 20 rupees, then 5 rupees. So how much? 10 plus 10 plus 20 plus 5 is equal to 35. And what is the pies? 25 plus 50. So 0.75 because 25 plus 50 is equal to 75. So 35 rupees 75 pies. So this point we are using this point why? To separate rupees and pies. Got it? We cannot write together, otherwise it will become 3570 pies. 75 rupees. So that is why we are writing here. We are giving a dot, that is point, which separate the rupees and pies. Here also same as you can see here. So 20 plus 10 is 30, 35. So 35, 50, 35.5. So, and this is 35.75. So the answer is 35. Our answer is also 35.75 rupees. 35, 35 rupees 75 pies. Got it? Now, conversion of money. So we have learned in class 2. Yes or no? So 1 rupees equal to 100 pies. And to convert rupees to pies, we need to multiply by 100. Keep it in mind. When we are converting rupees to pies, we multiply by 100 because 100 pies makes a 1 rupee. So convert 3 rupees to pies. So 3 rupees is equal to 3 multiplied by 100 is equal to 300 pies. Convert this. The here point is there. So 17 into 100 is 1700. So plus 1735 pies. Very easy. This is wrong. See the common error. 5 rupees 80 pies. So how we will write? 5080 pies. Because 5 rupees is equal to 500 plus 80. So this is the wrong one. So this is the correct one. 580. So 500 plus 80 is 580. Keep it in mind. The common error you people are doing. So you keep it in mind with this. Okay. Now, so count and write the total amount as shown. So count and write means we have to count here. So this is 10 rupees, 50 rupees and 5 rupees and 25 pies. So first we will add these rupees. So 10 plus 50 plus 5. So 10 plus 50 is 60, 60 plus 5 is 65. So rupees 65 and point 25 pies because only 25 pies is there. Now 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 100 rupees and 50 pies. So first we will add this rupees. So 10 plus 20 is 30, 30 plus 100 is 130. So 130.50. So no need to write this pies. Just you write it 50. Okay. Now convert the following to pies. So whenever we are converting rupees to pies, so what we are doing? Multiplying by 100. So let's do it. Number A, rupees 6. So you write it one thing. Okay. You write it one thing. 1 rupees equal to 100 pies because 100 pies makes 1 rupee. So rupees 26 is equal to 26 multiplied by 100 pies is equal to 2600. 21, 26 ones are 26 and 20 is there with 100. So I'm writing a 20. Done. Now number B, rupees 23. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies, and and here rupees 23 is equal to 23 multiplied by 100 pies. Now 23 ones are how much? 23 and 20 is there, so 20. Done. Now number C, very easy. Just see that this is rupees and this is pies. This 50 is already in pies, yes or no? And this is rupees, so we will convert this 13 into pies. So rupees 13.50. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies, and rupees 13 13 is equal to 13 multiplied by 100 pies is equal to 13 ones are 13 pies, and 50 pies is equal to, just you add it here, 50. So here 0, here 5, 3 and 1. So this is done. Now number D, rupees 20, 52, 7 pies. So we can write also in this way, 52.7. Yes or no? So we will convert it this 52 into pies. So rupees 1 is equal to 100 pies. Rupees 52 is equal to 52 multiplied by 100 pies is equal to 52 1 is 52 and 2 0 is there. Now 7 pies is equal to 7 pies here, plus 7 plus 0 is 7, and 0 to 0 will this 2 and this is 5. So very easy. Okay, so you keep on practicing. Okay children, thank you everyone.